Okay, if you're 38 weeks pregnant, then you're officially in that is this labor or is my uterus just playing games phase. I know you're tired, emotional, and if one more person tells you just to rest, you probably should just throw a pillow at them. Here's the thing, there's so much happening inside your body right now that no one really talks about. And I'm going to tell you the truth about what's normal, what's not, and how to make these next few days or weeks a whole lot easier. So grab your water, get comfy, because this is the episode that's going to help you finish strong. Okay, first things first. 38 weeks is technically full term, but your baby is still doing some last minute finishing touches. Your baby's brain and lungs, yeah, they're still developing like crazy right now. In fact, research shows that between 38 and 40 weeks, a baby's brain grows by about 50%. So when people say you can go any day now, yes, maybe. But your body and baby are still in collaboration mode. Every Braxton Hicks contraction, every weird ache, every trip to the bathroom at 2 a.m., it's all part of the warm-up for the big day. All right, let's talk about the stuff that no one really prepares you for. The 38-week plot twist, right? Okay, first up, lightning crotch. Now, if you've been following along week by week, you know what this is, but I have to go over it just in case you're new here, and also because we can't leave it out. It's likely happening at this point. Okay, so what is it? Well, it's those sharp sudden zaps that you feel down there, and it's from your baby's head pressing on your pelvic nerves. It's totally normal, not fun, but it is normal. And here's a pro tip. You can always try shifting positions. You can do gentle hip circles on a birthing ball, or even use warm compresses. It's a sign that your baby is low and ready. All right, number 2, random bursts of energy, aka the nesting urge. If you suddenly find yourself cleaning the fridge at midnight, well, that's oxytocin at work. Your body is literally preparing your environment for your baby's arrival. Now, my advice is to use that energy wisely. Pack your hospital bag, review your birth plan, and delegate the deep cleaning to, someone else. All right, number 3, period-like cramps or back pressure. Now, this one's sneaky, and that's because these sensations are often early signs that your cervix is ripening, softening, and thinning out for labor. Studies show that movement, hydration, and relaxation can all help your cervix to prepare naturally. So yes, walk, sway, stretch, and breathe. It all helps. Now, at 38 weeks, your belly likely feels like a bowling ball. Your bladder's on a timer and sleep is officially a myth. Here's what can actually help. First up, sleeping on your side, ideally your left side. It helps with circulation and it can even improve your baby's oxygen flow. Also, you can try using pillows everywhere, between your knees, behind your back, even under your belly. And also try the 4-7-8 breathing technique, especially before bed. It reduces anxiety and it helps your nervous system kind of chill out a bit. Remember, you're not supposed to be sleeping perfectly right now because your body is literally training you for those soon to come newborn nights. All right, now let's talk about the question that's probably living rent-free in your brain. How do I know when it's time? Here's what the research and experience say to watch for. You want to watch for losing a mucus plug. Now, it looks like jelly or some even say snot. Yes, that's a thing. And it's a good sign that your cervix is changing, but it doesn't mean that labor is going to happen right away. So just be mindful. Also, you will likely start to feel a little lighter, literally. Let me explain. When baby drops, you might notice that your breathing gets a little easier. Now, that doesn't help with your peeing because you'll probably notice that you're doing that part even more. This is called lightening, and it's when your baby settles into your lower pelvis, allowing you to breathe a bit better, but pee a little more, if that's even possible at this point, right? All right. Also, there's that back pain that comes and goes. Now, this is not like regular soreness. This kind of pain has a rhythm, and if it keeps returning, you definitely want to start timing it. Also, emotional signs. Yes, this is a real thing with pregnant women. Some women describe a sudden wave of calm, clarity, or even tears right before labor starts. It's your hormones that are shifting. So if you're feeling extra emotional this week, that's your body's way of saying, we're almost there. Now, here's what I tell my doula clients at 38 weeks. Don't rush to the finish line. Prepare for it. You can do things like update your birth plan, make sure that it reflects your current wishes, and that your support team is all on the same page. You can also practice your coping tools, things like breathing and movement and positions. Practice all of it so that it's like muscle memory when you get into the thick of your labor and birth. Also, get your postpartum plan ready. You won't want to think about freezer meals or nipple cream after you give birth, so set it all up now. Those little things make such a big difference once labor hits, because when it's go time, you'll feel ready and not frantic. Now, here's something I wish every pregnant mama knew. If you're still pregnant at 38 weeks, you're not behind, mama. You're right on time for your baby. And I know it's uncomfortable. I know everyone keeps texting you, is baby here yet? Is baby here yet? And I know that you're pretty much just done. You're over it. But this is the last stretch. It's where your body's wisdom really shines. Your baby is coming. And when it happens, it'll be the exact right time. You don't need to force it. You just need to trust it. If you want to feel totally prepared for labor, delivery, and postpartum, that's exactly what Bump to Bundle Blueprint was designed for. It's like having a doula, a childbirth educator, and a lactation consultant all in one. You'll learn how to understand your contractions, how to advocate for your birth preferences, and how to start breastfeeding with confidence right from day one. So before you head to the hospital, click the link in the description to join me today. You've got this, mama, and I've got you. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss next week's episode, 39-week updates. Until then, happy birthing.